The next page, page 457, just talks about triangles and how there's lots of different types of triangles. Looking at this first row, in these triangles, there are two perpendicular line segments that form to meet one angle. So basically, when they're saying that, it's just two lines that are forming together that's perpendicular with a right angle. So these are all right triangles because they have a right angle in them. In these triangles, there are three smaller angles. The three angles are smaller than a right angle. They are all smaller than a right angle. These triangles, one angle is larger than one of the right angles. But on your page, though, for questions number 6, 7, and 8, you remember, always read that black. Use triangles K, L, and M for exercises 6 through 8. Which triangle has one right angle? Which one is it? Is it the K, L, or M? Which triangle has three angles smaller than right angle? And then number 8, which triangle has one angle larger than a right angle? And for this page, you're just going to use these ones up here. So again, these are the right angle triangles, right triangles because they have right angle. These triangles, three angles are smaller than a right angle. When I look at this, there's no way I could fit a book in that corner. So that's not a book. That's not at 90 degree. I couldn't fit a book there, and I couldn't fit a book there. So that all three of those angles, this one, this one, and this one, they're smaller than 90. When I look at this one, I'm trying to see. This one's even better. I guess this one's even better. When I even turn that, oh yeah, that angle is way larger than 90. If it was 90, it would look more like this to make it a right triangle, but that's way larger. So you just have to pick which one is K, which one is L, which one is M. And I'm just going to go through a couple of these slides here. Here we go. You can also describe triangles by the number of sides that are of equal length. So in these triangles, the three sides are all equal in length. So if I took a ruler and measure it, totally all equal. So this is called an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle. And if you remember, we talked about that too. You can kind of hear that word equal. Equal. So equilateral means all sides are equal. In this one, in these triangles, two sides are equal in length. So remember, we were drawing those lines to kind of show, like this side is equal, that side is equal, this one is not. Or I can go up here again, and I can do it right here. Equal, equal, equal. Down here, equal, equal, not equal. Equal, equal, not equal. And then in these triangles, right here, no sides are equal in length. So not a single one. So it would look more like this if I was drawing the lines for each of them. None of those are the same. None of those sides are equal. So then when I look down here, it says use triangles B, C, and D for exercises 9 through 11. Basically questions 9, 10, and 11, I'm going to use B, C, and D. Which triangle has three sides of equal length? So I kind of have to, I can try to get a ruler, but I think I can kind of do a pretty good estimate of which one has equal length. Number 10, which triangle has two sides of equal length? I'm trying to figure out, I think I can kind of tell which one is maybe more equal. And then 11, which triangle has 0 sides of equal length? No sides equal. And then your last page that you're going to be working on for this, just to make sure I'm looking through my math book. Yep. Last page for this lesson today is this one. Describe triangles by types of angles and number of sides of equal length. So use triangles M, N, and O for questions 12 through 14. So 12, 13, and 14. Write M, N, or O. Then complete the sentences. So triangle blank has one angle larger than a right angle, and blank two sides of equal length. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of help here on this one, because it's a little confusing at first. So I have to look. So triangle M. Let's say if I think it's triangle M. Let's see if that works. Triangle M has one angle larger than a right angle. Actually, you know what? No, that's smaller than a right. That's smaller than a right. And that is a right. So actually, this one doesn't work. I can't put M there. So I'm going to go and look. Let's see. I'm going to try N then. I'll change my color back. N. Let's see. So triangle N has one angle larger than a right angle. That's smaller. That's smaller. Oh, actually, it doesn't work. Well, my last one is O. So I'm going to try O. Triangle O has one angle larger than a right angle. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, that's smaller. That's more. Right there, though, that's a lot larger. I definitely, if I think about it, that would be a right angle. Oh, yep, look at that. This right here, that is larger than a right angle. So that definitely can work there and make sure. So triangle O has one angle larger than a right angle and blank sides of equal length. You know, I don't know. It has zero. It has 0 sides of equal length then, because none of those sides are equal. This side and this side kind of look the same, but they're not. So you're going to go through then, and so I have to try to figure out. Now look at this. Triangle M has one right angle. Oh, okay. Or is it right that one? And how many sides are equal length? And for this page, go back to page, so for page 459, that's this page, go back to page 458, and that can help you, or just come back and watch this video, and that'll help too. That'll help you with that top part. Then the last part, use triangles P, Q, and R for questions 15 through 17. So 15, 16, and 17, they complete the sentences. So same thing, triangle blank has 3 angles smaller than a right angle and has blank sides of equal length. So if I think it's Q, let's check that. Has 3 angles smaller. Ooh, that's smaller. Yeah, that's smaller. That's smaller, okay. And has blank sides of equal length. You know, for that one, I would say 0. I mean, they don't look, not any of those sides look equal. Okay, triangle blank has 3 angles smaller than a right angle and has how many sides of equal length? So let's say if I put like P in there, it could be the same. And then triangle has 1 angle large. So you're going to have to kind of go through and do some of that processing, and almost process of elimination to figure out what's going to work with this. So because like when I look at 17, triangle blank has 1 angle larger. Ooh. Okay, and then when I look back at this one, I was thinking I was going to put P in this one. Triangle P has 3 smaller. Because you know, when I look right there, you know, this angle's smaller, that angle's smaller, but when I look at that one, I can turn this. Oh yeah, look at that, is not smaller. Because that's 90 degrees right there. So that's larger than 90 degrees. Because this one says it has to have 3 angles smaller. But that's the lesson. That's the lesson. After you're done with this lesson, you're going to go back into school. You're going to go back just into Schoology, and you're going to do the workbook pages. Try your best on them. You know, after you finish each page, upload them into Schoology. And yeah, just do your best. I'm going to be looking through them afterwards. If you have any questions, let me know. But I mean, you guys are going to do great. Yeah, thanks everybody. Let's have fun with this.